Hey guys, Dr. Brad here. Going to make a quick little thing about alleviating headaches with lacrosse ball and or your good old thumb. First off, you're going to want to learn a little bit about the anatomy. So you look at the muscles, where they attach and where they go to. And what we're doing is we're kind of looking at where all these guys attach, and we're going to be looking for the sore tender spots at those points. So looking back here, feeling for a similar tone of tenderness. So if it's tender here and you rate it like a 9 out of 10, and then you find the similar one right over there, and that's also a 9 out of 10, chances are those two guys are linked and they're the same problem, but they're just two ends of the same muscle. You got to work those ends and push in on it with either lacrosse ball or the hands, and you work on it till it relieves, and then you search throughout the head and the neck, throughout there to relieve them all. That is going to be a way to help to relieve it. Now, do that at least a few times a day, and that'll start to relieve the headache pain, or might even relieve it right away. If that's not relenting, or if it's not going away, then you need to start seeking help, taking medications, whatever you want to do, if you do that sort of thing. Hopefully this helps. Call the office if it's a problem that's not going away, and happy to give you our thoughts on what's going on. Take care. Have a good one.